It's my first day today and timplahan natin si Mother sang iya nga nagpilian nga coffee na say veggies. Good morning. May background music ko daw. Kaya nag-lecture ako ng nanay. And I'll be timplahin the collagen class. Yesterday, I tried the mocha and daily veggies. Wala ko nag-expect. It tastes and it's comparable to the flavored coffee sa mga coffee shops. If you want premium blend coffee, timpla your coffee at home, diba? Only with ultra green coffee. So, kung gusto nyo siya i-try, PM nyo lang ako. Comment mo sa dalong. Tomato, onion, egg for lunch, and garlic. Good morning. It's a Sunday and it's the official weigh-in for our 21-day weight loss challenge. But I have a schedule for a vlog at 10:30, 11, and now it's 5 minutes before 10. I have to prepare, and I can't join the live presentation. Pero let's go, let's prepare for the vlog. Yeah, I'm gonna drink our coffee. Ta-da! We're done with our vlog and now we will buy some weighing scale. Ibagaling ang weighing scale, no? Digital weighing scale. Ang unang kailangan natin. Wait lang. Let's look for it. Ubus na ang digital weighing scale, so let's go to other shops. Baka meron. Okay, sa Watson's, wala ding stock. So let's proceed sa my Ace Hardware if may weighing scale sila.
SPS, hardware LCD, what is SPS?
So, this is the most affordable weighing scale na digital na nakita ko. That's 119. Ay. Wow. 2 days ago, 53.5 ako. Now it's 53.4. Pero yung official weigh-in natin later, we'll have a Facebook Live before we start the 21-day lose weight challenge. Feeling mo manang kaya ko magpaniwang in 21 days? Yes! Tapos balikan ta kanina. Anong ngalan mo nang?
Tiwala lang.
Tiwala lang. Si Manang Tiwala. Joke lang. Anong first name mo nang?
Carla.
Carla.
Finally, we will go for weigh-in challenge. But before that, let's check on it. Aton nga height ay akong mas. Aton nga height. I know depende siya sa measuring tape is 4'10", ako is 4'11". So ari. Okay, di rally yun ini kay kumaga sala ini. It means sala ng mga balay ninyo. Ang measurement. Bebe. We are 4 ay sabi ko bali 4'11". 4'10". Na-prove ko na sa mga 4'10" lang ko. Okay, hindi na ako mag-asa nga 4'11" ako. So, ang ideal weight ko, or ideal man, ideal weight ko should be 88 to, oh my gosh, 99 pounds. Sa pagkadundog ko, last time, I'm 114 and now magkaharapan na tayo. Kung pilagid man ang ako niya weight. Yes, once again, I'm Coach Ruby and kagina lang, nag-live ang ako nga magulang, si Kenzie Probadebara, napadamo-damo na lang kami sa weight nga mailus. Akon nga, waistline, wala lang, gusto ko lang i-check ang waistline. Anyway, that's 82 centimeters.
Okay.
Grabe ka man, hindi ya Again, shout out, Coach Frau. Eto na, sexy busy na tayo ulit. Hi, Coach Elaine. Mayong gabi sa imo. Hapon pa lang gaya. Going to gabi. I'm Rubirosa Valdevarana. 4'10 lang ako. And I thought I'm 4'11. I am currently ha, 28 years old. Turning 29 this coming June. Kaya before ako mag-29, dapat achieve natin ang... There's nowhere to hide. You can push it. Okay, tama na. Right. Maui, nakita once again, Rubirosa Valdevarana, 4'10 and 28 years old, signing in at 114.4 pounds. Tang 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 tang. Alright, this is me. This is me again. Front view. Yeah. Tsaka lang, ma'am. Okay. Alright, that's me on the side view with my tummy. And the back view. Hi, baby. Yeah. Maning ang si tita. Later on, that's another side view. Alright, bring it on. And to the front view. Pag ako, Coach Elaine, yung manalo, 2 pack please. Para sa akin at sa aking baby. Wow, baby! Tsaka lang, boy on ko. Patula na ni. Thank you so much, Coach Frau, for assisting me. See you on the next 21, next week ulit, on a Sunday, for the second weigh-in. Once again, that's Rubirosa Valdevarana, 4'10 in height, weighing 114.4 pounds at the age of 28. Bye! Alright! May nabiktima po tayo ngayon. Secret lang natin kung sino. Running. Okay, that's 127 pounds. Alright, see you after 21 days. Yay! It's our second day, official day for the weight loss challenge. Hey, good morning everyone. I'm on my way to the office and I just realized this is our new uniform. And look at that! It's so bakatin and it's so fit. So, I told their driver, sabi ko, this is really reminding me that I have to trim down. I don't know why siya naging fit, pero yung previous uniform ko, the same lang naman yung sukat and it's so loose. Yun, and I don't know bakit naging ganito yung uniform ko now. So, we'll just walk from the house to our office and take our breakfast. And see you tomorrow. Bye! Good morning, honey. It's 6:17 in the morning. Ngayon lang kami try umalis ng bahay this early and it's so cold. We'll be having a 30-minute walk before office time. Dahil uuwi kami mamaya sa Iloilo. So current weight is 113.6. Oh, diba? I lost 1 pound over the week, but yeah, okay. Honestly, I'm not taking this seriously as for today, as for this week, because I'm drinking the collagen coffee. Pero next week, seryosohin ko na talaga yun. I'll be taking the jamocha and daily veggies. Sorry, Coach. Promise. Niniwang talaga ako. Niniwang! Yeah! Bye-bye, honey! Thank you for joining me. Wow, mga kabang-bang. True. Having a good sleep burns fat. I just lost 4 pounds overnight. And today is Sunday. It's another weigh-in. Sorry, kakagising ko lang, masakit yung mata ko because last night I used a mascara and I forgot to take it off before I sleep. Masakit yung mata ko. Anyway, okay, let's prepare and let's go to my sister. Bye!
I'm Candice April Valdevarana, 31 years old, 5'1" in height. My second weighing.
Initial weigh mo last time ano?
1.4.
Wow! 138.6! Congratulations! Turn around! Ayos! Alright, thank you! Baldi Verona, 28. 4'10" in height. Initial weight is 114.4. Alright.
One 100.0.
Grabe! Grabe! Nakuha ko na yung ideal man ko. Ang ideal weight ko! 100. I still have to lose 1 pound for that. Pero ngayon, since we got to celebrate, I got here Abraham's chicken for the kids! Yay!
Hello, good morning. Today is April 1. Every year I do water fasting. Today we'll try to have water fasting again with UGC coffee, and let's see if we could finish till 4 days. 4 days lang naman until Sunday. Okay, I slept again, but the dogs doesn't want me to sleep maybe. Too noisy. So I'll wake up and yeah, I'll update you later if kakayanin na tulog lang.
I'm Kelly's April Baldi Verona, 31 years old, height 5'1", and my weight for this second week of UCG challenge is
138. Okay, turn around. Thank you. Hello, Coach! Magkaalaman na kung sira ba ang aking weighing scale o sadyang pumayat talaga ako. I'm Rosa Baldi Verona, 28 years old. First weigh-in is 114.4 kilograms. Okay, let's do this.
okay, so 107.4.
Alright!
Wow!
So, sira nga yung weighing scale ko last week. Kasi, nung nasa city ako, I weigh 107. Yeah, 107 din. Then, dito, last week, that's 100. So, I don't know. Whatever. Yeah, so this is me now. And so far, so good. Yung ating chan, medyo lumiit na. There, that's the back view. Sexy pa rin. And there you go on the side note. Yeah, it's buoy. And there you go. I'm still happy. And promise, Coach. Next week, I'll follow na your meal plan. I will complete my meal from breakfast, snacks. Medyo kinakabahan ako. I'm not sure, but yeah, I think tataba ako next week because I'll be completing the 5 small meals: breakfast, snacks, lunch, snacks, dinner, and definitely I won't take the evening snacks kasi yan talaga yung papatabas sa akin based on my previous observation of my body. Alright, so thank you so much. Okay, judgment time ng aking student, law student. O, sige be, go. Ganda na nail polish. Wow, 126.9. Oh, be, pila siya before? 0.4. Amazing! I've been using this sa nga college pa. Kag imo siyang isa sa mga pinakagamay ko nga shirt diri sa balay. I don't use this usually pag alam ko tumataba ako kasi hindi siya mag-fit, and now it's fitting me. It's fitting me! Hello! Tomorrow is the final day and now we are on our way to dinner to Aw-Aw over Dog. Kasi
under operation siya today. So, let's go to her and pick her up mamaya ng hapon. Alright, see you sa clinic. Bye-bye! Hello mga kabanggang. I'm currently here waiting for my number sa SM Kagarato si Nanay sa sulod sang car, and we just received the news that our dog has a cancer, and yeah, she'll be undergoing chemotherapy daw, sabi ng nanay ko, and that's why this coffee, hindi lang yun na siya for slimming, no? Ako natutuwa ako na mag-lose ako ng weight. I'm losing of words na muna magniwang ako, but more importantly, it's shifting from commercial coffee to a healthier one. It's very important for us to take care of our body, kasi if we still have more years to live here on earth, no? If we want to survive, especially now na nasa pandemic tayo, we have to be healthy. We have to live a healthier life. And that's actually one of the reasons nga nag-partner ako with UGC. That's why I did not doubt subong a year nga maging distributor ako sa UGC, since mag-isa na lang ako sa office ngayon and I'm on a field work and I badly have to keep myself healthy para iwas sakit. Since I'm on a field work, yun nga, mas exposed tayo sa ibang tao, sa mga hindi natin alam na mga viruses around us, or bacteria, mga germs, mga whatever sickness aside from COVID itself, no? May mga iban pagid nga mga diseases around us. So to protect me, to protect my body, I have to live a healthier life. And I'm really thankful nga na-meet ko ang Ultra Green Company para maging partner ko consistently sa akong life. And so far, amo na ganing akon nga bet ged sa tatlo ka flavors isang collagen, because it gave me good sleep. Wherein nga mo gina ako deprived of. Okay, I bought some goodies, some noodles for our dog mama para hindi na siya malungkot. And let's see if how is she. Dog mama, for you. Thank you. Balik na to kayo, Aw? Oo. Bye-bye. There you go, guys. Ay, lang, cute sang dog-dogo. We are now back here sa my hospital. Cute sang dog-dog. So, hambakon ko na sa inyo, subang-subong hospital, si Aw-Aw. Katuan na to ni nanay. And this is my lunch for now. And, ayan. Grabe nga, no? Basta, wala. Yun nga, sabi ko kanina, may cancer. Kasi, nag-big ang ka-tumor siya. And yun, na-diagnose na cancer. Daw yun. So, we'll be having her antibiotics for the next 14 days. Then, magpapa-chemotherapy kami. And, there you go. Kaya, kung mga gusto nyo ang bumili ng coffee, just don't hesitate. Contact me sa aking Facebook page. There you go. Buy our UGC coffee. Para may pang chemo kami kay Aw.
sa ako niya fan, Harriet. Thank you so much for watching over my Facebook page. Actually, why am I dancing? Para magbawas ng kilos. I'm so afraid now. Grabe, kinakabahan ako kasi, you know, I am already gaining muscles. Yeah, I got my pusog-pusugan bigger na compared before. So therefore, I conclude, I don't know if I'm gonna lose some weight because I'm already gaining muscles. And look at that! Unahin natin ito. Once again, I'm Ruby Rosa Valdeverona, 28 years old, 4'10" in height, unfortunately. And the initial weight is 114.4 pounds. This is me, front view. This is me, side view. Kaya gusto ko itong unahin. Look at that! Oh my! No, very slight. There's muscles now. There's abs. Maybe next time my abs na tayo. Ito ang back view. Got a side view. Pack pa rin. And of course, hindi ko kabalo. Excited ako. And really afraid. Let's do this. Okay. Mark 0. Ayaw mag 0. There, 0. Let's do this. Last week, I'm 117. I'm 107.
106.4.
Alright.
Final weight for 21 challenge.
Okay, at least, wala tayong penalty ngayong week kasi bumaba tayo ng 0.6. Alright, so thank you so much. I'm so happy, yun nga. Kung hindi lang sana ako nagka-abs sa paa, malamang I achieve again the 100 pounds. So thank you so much. And thank you to all the UGC coaches, especially to Coach Frau, and syempre sa kapatid ko na naging cameraman ko ngayon, Syempre. Congratulations sa 4 pounds mo nga na-lose. Way to go. Let's rock this healthier lifestyle. Thank you so much once again, and to all of my 61 contenders. What? Contenders. See you sa ating announcement of winners. Bye-bye! Yay! Finish na kami. We can now celebrate Mama's birthday. Sing na, Nis. Happy birthday to you. Naka. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Yay! Ma, just for today, coaches. Okay. Kasi birthday, advance happy birthday. Bye-bye na, close na mo, Nis.
Syempre, may gift ng kusima. Yeah, buksin niya.
Abot ko ng
Yeah.
tissue.
Para sa good digestion. Yay! Buksin. Alright.
Hindi ba lang excited? Kaya tungod tapos puro packing tape.
Kamusta ang experience mo sa 21 days?
Well, I experienced at first, it's so hirap, promise, for me, nga mahilig sa food.
Yeah.
But later on, I've learned how to, I've learned to be patient.
Wow.
Because when it comes on craving, ang sarap ko na itong dessert.
Yeah.
And na-learn ko na rin na kumain ng wastong pagkain, healthy foods. Kasi mahilig ako sa mga sweets. Kasi nga, nagbibenta ako ng mga dessert. Yes, dessert actually. So, minsan I can't resist the cravings. Oh my! I'm so happy! Seryoso, magbibigat ito.
That face.
After 3 weeks, oh my!
You deserve it. But in moderation. So per day, you can have 1 chunk, as in 1 chunk lang gid. Ang isa, you could give it to the bubwit.
Feeling ko, 3 weeks ako na ganito sa na chocolate. Paborito ko pa naman ang chocolate. You're so high. Thank you. Thank you. Ito sa birthday. Mana po siya.
Alay na kay nanay.
Nay, thank you.
Pero,
Best award!
pero dapat gina-appreciate ang ako ng rapper, oh. Merry Christmas.
Actually, happy ko. Fairness packing tape sa
Thank
sunod
you,
Merry
man.
Christmas. Tapos, ang pinaka-best, mas hindi ako madala sa top, happy ko yan!
But you have to maintain and even continue para magamay pag nakatong nga buyon.
Don't worry.
Alright. Kala lagi bigyan man siya.
Next challenge mo, Bora. Ito yan.
Nga mo na! Yay!
You know what's this?
Yeah! Bye-bye! Thank you for watching and do subscribe to my YouTube channel. Bye!
Opo. Ako talaga yung umiiyak. Nasasabi mo, gusto mo mag-isip ng pagkakitaan para kay baby mo. Pero alam ko na ikaw yung winner. Yung UGC, member ka na ngayon. Diba? Gulo, nagkaiyak kami. Ala, nakakaloka. Ayun, since member ka na nga ngayon, Rose, I think deserve mo talaga mag-i-quit. Siguro yun ang isa sa na para wag ka nang pumunta sa Saudi. Gawin na lang natin yung business.
Push mo yung goal mo pag gusto mo talaga magagawa mo. Yun.
Kaya may business ka na, ha?
Yay! Rouse! Rouse, we have to sell 56 pouches of coffee. This coffee is daily veggies. Look, with the malunggay flying there. And my nanay, how is your coffee critic?
Make me full.
Make you full. Make you busog.
Yeah.
And how about you, Rouse? What's your plan with your face? What's your plan with your face? Get well soon. Bye-bye. Yay! Good morning everyone! Yung pansinin yung background natin sa likod. There you go. So this is me now after 28 days na. So last week yung final way out, mamayang hapon, mamayang gabi maybe would the result be out, and hindi na ako nag-hope kasi I already calculated the final round. Yun nga. So what happened to me sa first week, kasi when you're so very challenging, challenging, mahilig ka sa challenge yun, ayun. So, bira-bira, gigayang, siyempre nagniwang ta, pero kay galing naman ang ginatawag nila if you have a very yo-yo diet. What a yo-yo diet? Second week, medyo na-stress na tayo kasi, yun nga, naging top 1 tayo first week, and pressure, yung stress, yan yung nagpapataba sa atin. Plus, yun nga sinasabi ko, you could research about yo-yo diet, pag gusto mong instant na pumayat ka, you could do fasting. But it's not advisable for a sustainable lifestyle. Kasi yung effect, if you fast yourself, no, pag kinagutom mo yung sarili mo, yung tendency mo after that, you'll eat many food. Kaya tataba ka ulit. Then on the third week, yun na, I tried yung suggested na na meal plan ng, of course, my coaches. But what I've observed kasi, I'm used to having 3 meals in a day and we are suggested sa meal plan to take snacks. Kaya medyo kinabahan ako, yun din. Stress level is high and I tried having snacks. Medyo yung portion siguro na naglulus ako inside, nadadagdagan din ako ng calories kasi nadagdagan ng snacks yung diet ko. Yun, I lost din naman 4.4 pounds. Konting-konti lang. And now, hindi ko na siya since tapos na yung challenge for this week. Let's try to weigh in. Ayan. I weighed 106.6 last week. Pero dun sa bahay ng kapatid ko now, dito sa bahay. Oh, kita mo, gidya yung, gidya yung kamahal pa man isang bakal ko. Tapos nag-char-char siya. It's 100, kita mo, 107.6. Ay, bliskad. Oh! May abs na ko! So, let's measure the battery sa may the down, just above your bone. Above your bone! Ito. Just above your bone. Ooh! 76, 77. Last time, this is 80. Okay, kahit bumigat tayo ng kaunti, charge the muscles. And yun, abangan yung next natin na challenge na naman ba? Ow, Ito. 12 inches. 29 na ako. 30. Gawin na natin 36. 19 inches. Alright, so abangan yung next natin na series of vlog. Maybe next month na. Yeah. Of course, kasi series nga, diba? Bye-bye! Yes! Ito talaga yung kinahantungan ng ating pagpapayat. Dapat ang sa likod ang ribbon, sa front. Ayan, you say bye-bye na to our cancer survivor. Let's claim it. Congratulations, wow! Yay! And now I'm wearing my high school shirt. This is size 16 ng Liberty Kids. This is our uniform during Sports Fest. I did enjoy the 21 days challenge. And to all you guys watching this vlog, I hope I got to inspire you all. See you on my next vlogs kasi meron tayong collaborate for the next series. Alright. Sige, bye-bye. Bye-bye, Aw-Aw. Say bye-bye to them. No. Bye. Ayaw kayo nakahapit ka mo sa akong nga channel. Kung bago pa lang ka mo dili, pindot ang subscribe button, pati ka ang lingganay, kag hindi pagkalimtin. Rubeinspired!